Welcome back to the JLPT N5 grammar series. In our previous videos we went through ko so a do pronouns, politeness marker desu, its use and conjugations. In today's video, we will be working on a new concept, Japanese adjectives. Have you ever wondered the role of adjectives in Japanese? Why some of the adjectives you hear always end in e? Why you need to add na for some adjectives for them to modify the word? If you have these questions, you have come to the right place. Today I will make sure to address all these questions and much more. So stay tuned till the end. If you have already come across basic Japanese sentences, you would have noticed the Japanese adjectives like
おいしい、元気、つまらない、高い、静か、大丈夫、甘い。
What do you think is the difference between these adjectives? Some of the above adjectives end with hiragana, e, while others don't. This very ending defines the two types of adjectives in Japanese. The adjectives which end with e are called i-adjectives and the second type is called na-adjectives. You might wonder that calling
おいしい、つまらない、高い、甘い。
i-adjective makes sense as it ends with e, but
静か、元気、大丈夫。
doesn't end with na, then why is it called na-adjective? This is when the answer to question adding na to modify the word comes into picture. In order to modify the word with the na-adjectives, we need to add na after the adjectives and that is why they are called na-adjectives. In my videos about desu, I constantly mentioned that i-adjectives have their own conjugations. The reason i-adjectives end with e is to ensure smooth conjugations without disturbing the previous kanji. Isn't this interesting? Now let's take a look at a few adjectives. However, this time, let's go through a small quiz if we can differentiate between two adjective types based on the previous explanation.
甘い、
i-adjective,
にぎやか、
na-adjective,
便利、
na-adjective,
新しい、
i-adjective,
好き、
na-adjective,
大きい、
i-adjective,
上手。
na-adjective. How did you guys do? If you have come this far, please do consider leaving comments below. They do encourage me to make more content like this. Now let's go see an important point in adjectives. While it is true that all the e-adjectives end with an e, there are exceptions where na-adjectives also end with hiragana, e. The key difference to remember here is that this e ending in na-adjectives is either the part of the kanji or derived from a verb unlike i-adjectives. Let's go through a few na-adjectives ending with hiragana, e. 1.
きれい、
Pretty, clean. 2.
嫌い、
Dislike or detest, derived from.
嫌う、
There are only a few na-adjectives like that and you can remember them by using often. Also, the na attached after the na-adjective to modify a noun is to prevent the change of previous kanji and smooth conjugation of the adjectives, just like i-adjectives. With this, we have reached the end of this video. In the next videos we will cover the conjugations of both type of adjectives which will be really important in modifying the word the way you want to. I hope that this explanation helped you understand two types of Japanese adjectives. If you have any questions related to this, please feel free to leave a comment. Your comments encourage me to make this type of content. See you next time. Till then, study Japanese, have fun and let's crack JLPT together.